everyone. My name is Rehan Dadachandji and I'm a founder at the Start Labs. We're a digital marketing company and we specialize in social media marketing and performance marketing. So I studied media. After I graduated, I was first interning at McCann Erickson, which is one of the largest ad agencies in the world. And then after that, I was with Coca-Cola and their marketing team in Delhi. And along that time, my business partner Karthik and I got chatting, and we discussed digital marketing. We discussed a lot about the industry, and we thought that there was some value in both of us creating a company that helps a brand with their strategy first, and then defining their objectives, their target market, and building their content in media. So we started in September 2016 with the objective of helping young Indian brands to really grow and take their brands from a local to a global level. So like it did with us, COVID obviously hit a lot of businesses hard, maybe our industry less than a lot of other industries, but there was a lot of adapting that we needed to do. So a lot of our focus was directly then changed from, for example, less content driven and more performance marketing driven. We started seeing the need for getting businesses cash flows in, so we were focusing on getting sales for a lot of the clients we were working with. There were some brands where we had to actually help them switch their business model, get them to change their product line, because we like to look at ourselves as an extension of a client's business and not just an outsourced agency. So we help them not just with their digital, but also with their business model and how they operate as a company as a whole. So a lot of things we did in terms of processing and different types of structures and communication internally. And so far it's gone extremely well. So yeah, happy to say that so far we've adapted and hopefully better things to continue coming. Well, we've won and been nominated for a lot of awards. I think the benchmark of success for us is when we've done a successful campaign for a client, and by a campaign it doesn't even have to be a 3-month long campaign where we've got them some incredible results on sales, discounts. Any piece of successful work that furthers the brand that we're working with, for us, is a success. So we've won and been nominated for a lot of awards by a lot of companies like Entrepreneur India. There was this MAD, which is this marketing awards, where we were one of the top 100 companies, marketing companies in the world. A lot of social media awards from Social Samosa and companies like that. Though in addition to awards, I also want to mention what we really look at as success is when we have some kind of successful campaign for a brand or a client that we're working with. Now, whether that's helping them with a business objective or helping them to build their brand or to get them more sales, that for us is a real measure of success because we generally look at ourselves as an extension of our client's business as opposed to just an outsourced agency. Our medium to long term vision is actually to create a company that helps local indigenous Indian brands grow and take their brand to the next level. So this tagline that we use a little bit is local to global, which is working with a company that's over here and making sure that the work we do with them is so good that they can go first national and then eventually global. And with that will come all the operations where we want to make our team wider, make it stronger. We're about 30 of us on our team now. So it's not just about increasing numbers, but also increasing skill sets, making sure that we have the ability to genuinely achieve our mission of taking our clients' business to the next level. So a lot of what I feel is missing in the industry is there are a lot of companies that look too specifically at one set of things that they're doing for a brand, whether it's the creative side or the performance side. What we like to do is try to look at it from a strategic level first. So what objective are we trying to achieve for a brand? Now that objective could be awareness, it could be sales, it could be a byproduct of the two, it could be something else entirely. But then how do we figure out that journey from matching those objectives to figuring out our target audience to then building the content and media? So if I were to give any advice to any company, any digital marketer who is working with any brand, it would be to look at a brand from a holistic level as opposed to from an individualistic level or from a purely service base. You'd rather be the person that's driving the entire marketing strategy, or at least I'd rather be the person driving the entire marketing strategy, as opposed to being a vendor that comes in and comes out at a certain point. Well, our business mantra in one line is we make digital work for the people we work with. Thank you so much to the World of Recognition for all your help and support and for showcasing entrepreneurs such as myself and recognizing our contribution to the industry. Really appreciate all the work you're doing and keep it up, guys.